industrial biotechnology in Europe is facing several innovation hurdles. The expertise in the industrial biotech sector is very fragmented according to different industrial sectors and geographical locations, according to, for instance, the feedstock that's used for the products. Some of these hurdles are related to funding, because there is a lack of investment in pilot scale and demonstration scale plants to allow the upscaling of the technology to bring these products from innovation in the lab to marketable products. And so what we need there is an implementation of a solid policy base and make sure that the industry is aware of the benefits that industrial biotechnology can bring to them and to the society. So in order to overcome these hurdles, we need to have a thorough idea of what these hurdles are and how they are interlinked. So this is where BIO-TIC project comes in. Industrial biotechnology can provide some answers to the global challenges that the world is facing right now, and so is Europe, and also the societal challenges related to that. Well, to give you a few examples, industrial biotechnology is a provider of growth and jobs, and the bio-based industries as part of the broader bioeconomy are a key enabler, since they employ 22 million people across a variety of sectors, from forestry to agriculture and from biofuels to chemicals. And their market value is evaluated at around 2 trillion at the moment. Industrial biotechnology brings value to a variety of value chains. It uses microorganisms and enzymes to produce products such as clothing or chemicals in a more environmentally friendly way, using less water, less energy, producing less waste, and using renewable raw materials. Well, indeed, industrial biotechnology has been highlighted as one of the key enabling technologies, which basically means that it could be one of the main drivers for Europe to reach a low-carbon, knowledge-based bioeconomy, and also support the competitiveness of European industries and companies. The BIO-TIC project is based on a solutions approach, which means that we'll identify the hurdles for industrial biotech innovation, and then in the second phase come up with a concrete action plan and see how we can overcome these. So the way this will work is that we'll have 3 intermediary roadmaps that we'll be producing, one on research and innovation, one on non-technological barriers, and one on market assessment and potential. So there will be several regional as well as business case workshops organized around Europe to try to identify these hurdles and get the stakeholders to help us and find some solutions, so that we can come up with an integrated blueprint document at the end of the project and submit some concrete policy recommendations to the Commission in 2015. Well, if we take a quantitative perspective, what we need to know is how the demand for renewable raw materials will be changing in the future. So what we will do is develop and test some indicators that will see what the impact of the project will be in terms of uptake of bio-based products. If we take a more qualitative point of view, what's really important is stakeholder engagement and information exchange, and communications between all the partners and different stakeholders, because we really need a good level of participation at the expert workshops that we'll be organizing, during the public consultations for the different roadmaps, some good level stakeholder interviews. So we'll work at putting all these people together to reach some good results at the end of the project. So this is where BIO-TIC can really bring some value in terms of bringing new synergies, new collaborations, and also creating new market opportunities for the industrial biotechnology field. The BIO-TIC project started in September 2012 and will last for the next 3 years. And within those 3 years of the project, there will be several opportunities such as regional workshops and business case workshops where people will be able to get involved. And there are 10 partners in the project, and EuropaBio is coordinating it with close collaboration, innovation agencies, consultancies, innovation clusters, as well as a non-profit on biotechnology research. So before taking part in these workshops and other activities later on in the project, what we would really like to do is make people take part in the online activities that we have, such as our website, where you can find information about the BIO-TIC project and what's going on in the field of industrial biotechnology right now. Linked to this website, we'll have an online partnering platform which will gather a wide database of contacts throughout the industrial biotechnology value chains, and it will provide some tools to initiate collaborations with some new people, new experts across different specialty areas. So what you can do now is already join our LinkedIn group entitled Industrial Biotech for Europe. So this is where we'll publish the latest news about the BIO-TIC project at the moment and see where you can provide some input on our roadmaps. So we're very much looking forward to hearing from you.